Welcome to Avocado's GuacTalk. My name is Jackie. I work in marketing at Avicado, and I'm here today with Bill Duncan, Avocado's integrations project developer. He is a U.S. Army veteran. He has a degree in construction management. He has a number of years of experience in project management, and over the last 5 years, he spent time integrating ERPs and other business software. So we're really happy to have him here, and we're going to talk about integrations today. So welcome, Bill.
Thanks, Jackie.
So let's go ahead and just jump right in and start at the very beginning. What is an integration?
Well, it's in one of the areas that we help our clients with reducing double data entry, automating repetitive data entry tasks. For us, an integration is linking and combining of the systems to share data and streamline operations. It's made possible by doing file imports or data connections, or even using an IPASS solution. Depending on the company and their requirements, it can be done with a combination of all of these types.
So you mentioned an IPASS solution. Do you want to talk a little bit about what that means and what that is?
Yeah, so an IPASS is an acronym for Integrations Platform as a Service. It's usually a service provided by a third party that helps make connections between systems more easily. They're all typically take some expertise to use effectively, but I've found some are easier than others. At Avicado, we're currently using Boomi as our chosen IPASS platform. They offer a flexible low-code development system that can be utilized in numerous ways to move and transform data. One of the benefits is that we have an Avicado accelerator, which is pre-built in Boomi to help speed the process of connecting Procore to NetSuite. Once the accelerator is in place, we can then make customizations that fit the individual customer requirements. This could be special handling of cost codes, or maybe a specific accounting practice that a client might have. The accelerator is really a starting point for most integrations for us.
Awesome. And so why are companies investing in integrations?
Well, a few reasons off the top of my head, productivity, data reliability, and reducing workload. These are common low-hanging fruits in most organizations. To become more productive ourselves, we schedule and standardize tasks. It's the same with integrations. We automate. This can allow us to enter data once, reducing workload, validating the data to ensure it is in sync in all the tied systems, and then finally control when the data should be shared. Controlling when data should be shared, I think, is often overlooked. I think everyone can relate to fallen victim to starting a task and finding out not all of the necessary information is available. If we could ensure that before we started a task that all the data is complete, or at least enough to act on, our work lives would be a whole lot happier.
Yeah, I definitely agree there. That's always really helpful. So, what would be like a pretty common basic integration?
The problem typically is vendors are present in multiple systems. They're most likely in a project management, accounting, and possibly a customer relationship software. It's also common that it's not the same person entering the details about the vendors in these different systems. So the odds of data being mistyped or just not the same is pretty high. But it is important that all of these are tied together somehow. Companies will go through great lengths to correct the data with wonderful, elaborate spreadsheets that after hours of eye straining work allows for the vendor to get paid at the end of the month. Depending on the size of the company, this can become someone's new job description. So a solution that we have is, let's create a repeatable, reliable, permanently flexible solution that reduces workload and helps us be more productive. By establishing some basic business data and validation rules, we can put in place processes and mechanisms to reduce or remove, in this case, multiple data entry, lack of standardization, and possibly outdated data. The result is double data entry is no longer necessary. We're entering it into one system. Data integrity maintains across all the systems. So as long as we've entered it right once, it's all set. And then less time spent fixing mistakes in multiple systems. I think it's a common case that affects most all companies that can be eliminated with a simple integration.
Yes, I'm on board. Let's integrate more and less double data entry. Well,
Absolutely.
well, thank you so much for being with us today, Bill. If anyone out there watching is interested in learning more about integrations, we have a webinar coming up, so please sign up for that. And you can always contact Avicado with any questions at avicado.com or hello@avicado.com. So thank you.
Thank you.